Chapter 12 Area related to circles. Exercise 12.1. Question number first. The radii of two circles are 19 cm and 9 cm respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two circles. Given R1 is equal to 19 centimeter and R2 is equal to 9 centimeter. Circumference of circle 1 is equal to 2 pi R1, that is equal to 2 into pi into R1 is 19, that is 19 to the 38 pi. Circumference of circle, first circle, circumference of circle 1 is equal to 38 pi and circumference of circle 2 is equal to 2 pi R2, that is equal to 2 into pi into R2 is 9. Circumference of circle 2 is equal to 18 pi. Circumference of circle is equal to sum of circumference of two circles, that is equal to 38 pi plus 18 pi. Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r, and we find the radius of circle. R is equal to 56 pi and divided by 2 pi. Pi is cancelled. This is cancelled by 28. This implies radius is equal to 28 centimeter. Answer. Radii of two circles. R1 is 19 centimeter and R2 is 9 centimeter. Circumference of circle first, that is 2 pi R1 and R1 is 19, so circumference equal to 2 pi into 19, 19 to 38 pi. Circumference of first circle is equal to 38 pi and circumference of second circle R2 is equal to 9 centimeter. 2 pi R2, 2 pi into 9, 9 to 18 pi. Circumference of circle 2 is equal to 18 pi and circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r is equal to the sum of the circumferences of two circles which has circumferences equal to the sum of the circumferences of two circles. Circumference of circle equal to 2 pi r and we we want to find radius of circle, that is equal to the sum of the circumferences of two circles. First is 38 pi and circumference of second circle is 18 pi. 38 pi plus 18 pi, that is 56 pi, and 2 pi r is equal to 56 pi. R is equal to 56 pi divided by 2 pi. Pi is cancelled and 56 divides 2. 28 2 are 56. Radius of circle is equal to 28 centimeter. Answer. Question number 2. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. Given R1 is equal to 8 centimeter and R2 is equal to 6 centimeter. Radius of first circle is equal to 8 centimeter and radius of second circle is equal to 6 centimeter. We have given radii and area of circle 1, first circle, that is pi r1 square. Area of circle first pi into 8 square, that is equal to 64 pi. 64 pi centimeter square. Area of circle first, and area of circle second is equal to pi r2 square, that is pi into 6 square, 36 pi centimeter square. Area of circle 2. Area of circle 2 is equal to 36 pi centimeter square. Area of circle is equal to sum of areas of two circles. Area of circle is pi r square and sum of areas of two circle is 64 pi plus 36 pi. Pi r square is equal to 100 pi. This implies r square is equal to 100 pi upon pi. Pi is cancelled and r square is equal to 100. R is equal to under root of 100. This implies radius r is equal to 10 square 100. Radius r is equal to 10 centimeter. Answer. Given radii r1 is equal to 8 centimeter, r2 is equal to 6 centimeter, and area of circle first equal to pi r1 square. Area of circle first is pi into r1 is 8 square is equal to 64 pi centimeter square. Area of first circle 64 pi centimeter square. and area of secant circle is equal to pi r2 square. R2 is 6, 6 square is 36. Area of circle 2 is equal to 36 pi centimeter square. And area of circle is equal to, find the radius of circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. Area of circle, that is pi r square, is equal to the sum of areas of two circle. First circle is 64 pi and area of second circle is 36 pi and their sum is 100 pi. Pi r, area of circle is pi r square, that is equal to 100 pi. This implies r square is equal to 100 pi divided by pi. Pi is cancelled. R square is 100. R is equal to root 100. This implies r is equal to under root of 10 square is 100. Root square is cancelled. And radius r, we get 10 centimeter answers. Thank you so much.